Welcome to Spring Boot tutorial. Today we continue with Spring Security. We're going to implement JWT tokens. We start on the website spring.io. We're going to use OAuth 2 resource server to generate a JWT token. We have here a lot of information. In this first video, we're going to use a single asymmetric key. We have also the website JSON web token. Here you see a web token. It's an example. We have a header, a payload, and a secret. Later on the video, we're going to use our token here and see what happened. You have a decoder and encoder. So you can do it from here to there and from the token to the header, the payload, and the secret. We go to Eclipse to view our code. See here, we have the project. We have XML, applications properties. We have our main class. We have security config. We have two controllers, one for the token and one for the home, and a token service. We're going to see that all in a minute. We have here our XML. We use Spring Boot Starter Security OAuth 2 resource server. You have seen that in the information, and the web MVC. We have also two tests, but in this case we don't use that. We have our applications properties, we have the name, and we have a token, a key. This is the secret we're going to assign the token with. It's a random string. We have our main class with Spring Boot applications annotation. And important, our security config. Here we bring in our key, our secret. We have a configuration annotation and enable web security, and our security filter chain. Because we don't use sessions, see that here, stateless, we can disable CSRF. We have an authorized HTTP request, API, auth, token, needs to have role user. All the rest authenticated. Very important here is the configuration for our JWT decoder. So OAuth 2 resource server. We enable here our decoder. You see that later on in the video. We have two users. User with password and role user. Admin, again with password and role user and admin. It's the same from previous videos. We have also our password encoder, Encryption, and again, important here, we have two JWT encoder and a decoder. In this case, we use the Nimbus JWT encoder. The one is for creating the token. Second is to view the token if it's okay. Next, we go to our token service. Here we create the token. It's a service. We bring in the encoder with constructor injections, and we have one method, generate token, with the authentication. So with user or admin in our case. Bring in the time. We read the authorities, bring in scope, you can call it whatever you want, and read the authorities in a string. Then we build our token. Have a builder, issuer self. You can write here whatever you want. You have the time, issue at, expiration. We do the time now plus 1 hour. So the token is 1 hour valid. Our subject is the user's name. So authentication, here, authentication, get name. So it's the user who logged in. And the claims of the scopes, or in our case, the authorities. Bring here the list of authorities. We encode everything together and return the token. Next, we go to our controller. Here we have a REST controller. We have API/auth. We bring in the token service with constructor injection and return the token with a post mapping. You're going to see that in a minute if we test how it's worked. Next, we have our home controller, simply the root, and we return hello with the name of the principal or the authentication. As you can see, we have run project, so we can test it out. I opened Bruno, it's my HTTP. I have HTTP localhost port 8080, so the home controller. We not yet have a token, so if we send the request, we are unauthorized. See it here. So the first thing we need to do is to get the token. So now we need a post request to localhost 8080 API auth token, and we need a user. So auth, basic authentication. You can select that here for the token, and in this case we use basic authentication. We have user. You can also try admin, no matter, user, and password. I send the request and we return a token. You see that here. We copy that. We go to our website JSON web token. We remove the demo token, paste it in, and you see we have our header, our payload, so self, the username, the time and the expiration, and the role from the user. Role user. We have also factor password. That's an internal role from Spring Security. The secret is the green one here. Now we go back to Bruno. We have copied the token. We go to our get request to the root and paste it in and bearer token. Again, you can select that. Have here for the token we use basic auth. Now we use bearer token. Open it, paste it in. You can see it, and send the request. Et voilà. Call it row, hello, and the username. So it's worked perfectly. If we want to do the same for admin, we need to go back to our post request, to admin, to login. Password is the same. Again, send the request. We have a different token. We copy it, Again, we go to our site, remove that, paste the new one. See here, admin, role admin and role user. We go back to Bruno, to our GET request, remove the old token, and paste in the new one. Send the request, et voila. Hello admin, et voila. We are at the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up or leave a comment. Thank you very much and see you later.